Can you imagine storing and managing all the data generated on the internet on your own computer? It's a mind-boggling thought, isn't it? But what if I told you that there's a way to do just that? But instead of your own computer, we're using a network of remote servers hosted on the internet. Welcome to the world of cloud computing. Cloud computing, in simple terms, is the delivery of different services through the internet. These services include servers, storage, databases, networking, software, analytics, and intelligence. It's like having a supercomputer at your disposal, but it's located somewhere else, and you can access it through the internet. Think of it as hiring a team of experts who handle all the heavy lifting while you sit back and enjoy the benefits. Need more resources? No problem. Cloud computing scales up or down based on your needs. Want to work remotely and collaborate with teams around the globe? You got it. Worried about security? Rest assured, cloud providers invest heavily in security measures to protect your data. What about the cost? Well, you pay only for what you use, eliminating the upfront costs of hardware and software. But not all clouds are the same. There are 3 types of cloud computing: public, private, and hybrid. A public cloud is like a vast library open to everyone. Services are delivered over the internet to a wide range of users. Think of service providers like Amazon Web Services, Google Cloud Platform, and Microsoft Azure. On the other hand, a private cloud is like your personal fortress. It offers high security, control, and customization, making it ideal for sensitive data or mission-critical applications. Then there's the hybrid cloud, a blend of the public and private clouds. It offers the best of both worlds, catering to diverse needs or a mix of public and private requirements. Cloud computing also comes in 3 service models: infrastructure as a service, IaaS, platform as a service, S, and software as a service, SaaS. IaaS provides access to virtualized computing resources, while PaaS provides a platform for developing, deploying, and managing applications, including databases and development tools. Then there's SaaS, which provides access to complete applications delivered over the internet, requiring no management or maintenance from the user. But wait, there's more. Enter fog computing. While cloud computing relies on centralized data centers to collect and process data, fog computing pushes these tasks to the edge of the network, closer to the source of the data. This reduces the amount of data that needs to be transported, the distance it must travel, and the time it takes for the data to be processed. So, whether you're surfing the web, streaming your favorite show, or even sending an email, you're already riding the wave of cloud computing. And with the emergence of fog computing, the future of data management is looking brighter than ever.